Hello, hello! Welcome to Marriott. So, this is Minsk Marriott. We got upgraded because we are platinum members with Marriott Bonvoy. I think it's presidential suite or something similar. So this is like living room, so you can work here. Everything is very like minimalistic but stylish. Look at this balcony, guys. Just look at this. The weather is gloomy today, but it's still beautiful. This is not it. There is more actually. There is more balcony. It's a presidential there. Yeah, it's palace of our president. Not our. I'm not the citizen of this country, but still, the president of this country where we are. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Today we're having staycation actually because we didn't travel, but we decided still to travel, and Marriott made it very nicely. So they got us those sweets. This is not from Marriott, by the way. This is from my husband because I have a birthday today. So this is like little kitchen area, which is really nice. And let's go to bedroom. So bedroom. Let's try it. Oh, always good. I don't know. Every Marriott we stay, like we usually stay throughout the year a lot. That's why we titanium. And the beds are always nice in every Marriott, even Courtyard Marriott, or like even like 3 stars, like Moxie hotels we stayed in Europe. They always have good beds. So this is the dressing area. You can go through here actually. Let's go through here. And bathtub. And shower is here. And so yeah. And you won't believe how much it cost. I'll tell you later. In New York City for this price you probably cannot get any Marriott. I will check. Probably you cannot get even like 3-star hotel. No, like some hotel yes, but Marriott brand for sure. Or like even some in Paris, like big cities. And this is also capital. We're in Minsk right now. So this is crazy. You guys, if you wanna feel like president, come here. Look at these guys. They just brought me dessert. Oh, it's so beautiful. And I think it's... And this is... Yeah, it's happy birthday in Russian. So nice. Thank you, Marriott. Hey guys, so normally for birthday, right, you'll go to restaurant, but lounge in this Marriott, lounge for, of course, titanium members like us, or I think the other like gold members, titanium and ambassador, it's free and it has amazing dinner. We've been traveling so much and this is the best lounge. I'll show you what this lounge has. If you know better, tell me. This is the first time when Marriott, this is our first order. How do you like it? Good. So you can order. This is menu in Russian. This is menu in English. Normally, Marriott do like buffet style, but this one you can order, and there is also tables. But we decided to sit on those like nice chairs, and also drinks. And you know what? The food served from 12 p.m. to 21 is like 9 p.m. So it's really good. And the food is amazing. We've been here a few months ago, we stayed, and the food is better. No, actually, food comes from restaurant. So that's why we came here. Like, why miss that opportunity, right? Cheers. The wine is included. What else included? Red wine. Red wine, then white.
Red wine, white wine, whiskey.
Whiskey included? Oh, wow. Okay. But not champagne, but it's okay. Champagne we got. But the wine is good. It's Italian wine. Cheers. One more food items arrived, and then the bottle of wine. Nowhere in the world we didn't see that. Italian. And now we got carbonara. Looks really good. Came from restaurant. Is it good?
Delicious.
Yeah, better than Italy.
It's really good.
We eat it here. So this is lounge area. So it's open until 11 p.m. from 6 a.m. Water, sparkling, regular, some juices here. Then some of this area. Then some cookies and our snacks. Then dining area. The dinner that we could have like, you know, like restaurant style. Then of course tea, coffee as in the lounges, and then reception, kind of reception, and then this area. So it's pretty nice. And remember, it's free, right, for Marriott members. This is the best mask I've ever seen. This is 2-in-1, and after this mask your skin looks like you went to a cosmetologist. The weather is gloomy today. I wake up at 8 a.m. and it was like so foggy, so I couldn't see even those bushes. Normally we'll try to go breakfast earlier in US. In hotels usually breakfast ends at 10 a.m. we always been like late there, but here breakfast until 11, so it's really good. Even though we wake up later, we still have time for like nice breakfast. Also guys, now it is winter, but on summertime when we were here there was tables, you could have a breakfast or dinner or lunch. There was tables. Here is bar, now it's closed, and there was some other lounge chairs so you can relax with drinks, with tea, or just with the book. So it's, but even now it's pretty nice. So we had a little bit champagne left. I don't know how that's happened. Normally that never happens, but we don't want to bring champagne to the car, open bottle. So we've decided to drink, now it's like what, 2-3 p.m. Cheers! I still have a birthday, so cheers!
Happy birthday!
And we're going to spa. See you in spa. Guys, and another bonus. You see that parking lot? Guess how much is it? It's included in the price. I don't know any Marriott 5-star in big city that have free parking. If you have one, tell me. But this is really great bonus as well. We're already going home. That was wonderful day. Thank you so much, Marriott. I'm so glad that I found like one of our friends introduced us to Marriott Bonvoy, to that hotel chain. Normally prices are good, plus the point system is pretty nice, right? So we usually stay sometimes like for money, then we have a lot of points, then we can book in Istanbul last year in 5-star in what was Sheraton Grand. We stayed for like 10 days for like 88,000 points, something like points. At the same time, in New York City, you can get only like one night in hotel and like in 4-star probably hotel. Not 4, maybe, yeah, 5-star you can get for 88,000 points. So the point system is good, the bonus system is good. So once you earn certain amount of nights, you become elite member, and then they like today, you know how much we spent for everything, for spa, for dinner, for breakfast. So we booked hotel room for $153. That's it. We got upgraded, we had like nice dinner, we had nice breakfast, we went to the spa. It's incredible. So highly suggest, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much Marriott, and happy birthday to me. And now only one minus this hotel has, they don't allow dogs, and we have a dog, but our dog was with nanny, so we're picking him up right now and going home. So thank you for watching. See you soon. And by the way, it's not advertisement, that's my dream, become Marriott ambassador. But I'm just truly love it. I just truly love that hotel brand, and I'm really grateful that they're very loyal. If you're loyal to them, like we stay always in Marriott. We don't stay in Marriott only if there is none of, like, for example, we went to Moscow last summer and there was no Marriotts because Marriott left Russia, like a lot of companies. So that's why we stayed in different hotel, but everywhere else in the world we stay in Marriott always. And so we're loyal to them and they're loyal to us. That's pretty much it.